Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So in today's video we are going to see what is social media calendar and how to create it. So you can see this Excel sheet. So this is the social media calendar which I have created. So it consists of these many different columns. You can even add the required columns according to your need and requirements. So what is basically a social media calendar is it helps you to save time by keeping all your ideas and posts in one place. And it also allows you to create content in advance when you have the like a big picture of everything is meant to go out. Basically like it helps in pre-planning, tracking everything, tracking our social media. So scheduling our posts and see whatever schedule posts are there, they are running correctly or not, and what description needs to be added, what tags we need to be used, what should be the title, what should be the timings. These are all crucial elements in any social media platform, right? So all these should be mentioned in prior, and thus update your social media calendar based on the status like success. And as you can see over here, these are pending. I have scheduled all these posts for further dates, and all these are pending, so the status is being updated. This helps us to keep a track about the social media, different platforms. As you can see, Facebook, Instagram, YouTube. So whatever it is, photo, video, at what time you can see according to this, at what time you are posting and where you are getting more engagement. So analysis is like one part which becomes easy when you have this social media calendar handy. Okay, so now you need to create all these columns, and I will show you by scheduling one post which is regarding to the weekend outfit inspiration. Okay, so as you can see, these are all successful and these are all pending. Okay, so now we will create for Facebook platform. Okay, Facebook, it would be on Monday, which is 18th of March. I will keep the time as 11 a.m. only. It is a photo. Okay, and we will name it as outfit for a week, I guess. Okay, wait, I will name it as outfit inspirations for the week. Okay. Outfit for the week. Okay, so whatever caption or description you need to mention, you will be writing it over here. Have some attractive minimalistic description. So I have already created this. I will just copy it and then paste it over here. Okay, wrap text. Yeah, so for hashtags we will use some. Okay, so you can go to Google and you can type hashtag generator, and just search whatever you want and click on generate hashtags. It will provide you with like number of hashtags. So we can see frequent, average, and rare. So see, dress, woman, collection. So I will be using these three: dress, woman, and collection. So hashtag dress, hashtag collection, hashtag woman. I can also use hashtag outfit, hashtag woman dress. Okay, you can add according to your like whatever you want, and like update it as pending because it's not what we say, it's not yet done. Okay, so I will then color all this, and once it is done, now it becomes easy to schedule the post. So now go on your buffer at on 18th we are going to post, right? So I guess let's go on Facebook itself, and then schedule post for March. Monday is 18th, I guess. We have written, yeah, 18th only. 18th at 11 a.m. Okay. So at schedule a post. Firstly, let's edit the timing because we have written 11 a.m. over there. So 11 a.m. Okay. And firstly, let's select the photo. It's uploading. Till then, yeah, see, this is the photo. It's very simple, classy, and elegant. So I would also tell you that if your creative is stronger, people like to read about your description, or they tend to visit your website, and engagement will be good. Okay, so just copy this. See, once you have everything in one place, it becomes very easy. Okay, now we will add a hello everyone. Okay, we have also collected our hashtags. Just we need to copy and then paste it over here, and we can also write visit for more. Okay, this is it. We have done everything. Okay, the post is will be visible in this manner. Okay, and we will click on schedule post. Great, the post has been scheduled. We can see over here. Okay, even you can go on calendar and then go for month, and then you can see your post is scheduled. So it becomes very easy when you have your social media calendar well planned. Okay, and this will help you even to track and helps to keep everything in one place. Okay, you can also create sheets like one sheet of YouTube, one sheet of say Instagram, one sheet of Facebook. Okay, you can like make it work according to you and whatever is easier for you and whatever you find convenient. Okay, so this is it for today's video, and let's meet in the next video. Till then, bye, goodbye, take care.